this one.
I am.
Mango ice cup. It was so yummy.
And yes, just make a coconut shake for 200 pesos. Yummy, yummy.
It's very yummy. We enjoyed our stay here. Hopefully we can come back here next time.
For more days.
For more days. Where's Kuya Mark? Here's my family.
Tired but satisfied.
Okay, Mama, what do you think about Boracay?
Happy. Happy, the family.
What do you think about Boracay? And I hope? And I hope? What do you think about Boracay? Ikaw, what do you think about Boracay?
It's fine.
It's fine.
How about you, Annabelle?
Tired but satisfied. Thank you.
Thank
For
you.
the Mayora who sponsor and the major